Are there people who lose? Because I've heard stories of people who say that they lost everything in divorce.
Again, I don't see how you would lose, because what happens after divorce is a dissolution, of course, of the marriage, and two, the distribution of the matrimonial property.
Yeah. Okay. So from what I've heard,
yes,
I've heard some men complain that they married a woman.
Yes.
Then she divorced.
Yes.
Then she took like half of his asset, and
yes,
then he even has to pay alimony for the children.
Well, that is one of the misconceptions.
Yeah.
And this misconception has been increased and made worse by some decisions of the court.
Yeah.
You see, when the 2010 Constitution was promulgated, it introduced the question of equality between gender, men
Yeah.
and women.
Yeah.
Either both before, during, and after the dissolution of the marriage.
Yeah.
It says that all genders are equal.
Yeah.
Now, there are some courts which have misinterpreted that to mean that when you divorce, either spouse is entitled to 50% of the matrimonial property.
Yeah.
However, that now has been corrected progressively. Now, the courts have interpreted that provision not to mean that you are entitled to have the property of the other spouse, but to mean that for you to be entitled to matrimonial property, you have to prove your contribution.